Hello to you all. I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI. Today, popular language app Duolingo has declared it's going AI first. Duolingo will replace the contractors around the world who write the language courses with LLMs. Because it's not like readers can tell human interaction from slop engines, is it? They even want to rewrite the application code with AI too. It's going to be great. The announcement says that Duolingo will remain a company that cares deeply about its employees. That must be why they're firing them for robots. Duolingo's founder and CEO, Louis von Ahn, is a fully paid-up Silicon Valley brain boy. He's a machine learning expert. He invented Google's reCAPTCHA system that checks if you're a human on so many websites. So Duolingo has always had a bit of a stench of tech solutionism. It started out doing machine learning on crowdsourced translations because von Ahn was sure he could just hack together a whole new method of language learning from scratch. Duolingo quickly pivoted to more conventional teaching methods because people have been learning languages forever, and on the popular language pairs we have centuries of experience in how to teach them as fast as possible. And it turns out there is not, in fact, one weird trick. So this move is getting back to Duolingo's roots. It's worse, but it gets rid of the humans. If you've got enough Silicon Valley in your brain, you'll always think there's a magic hack the computer boys can just pull. The company says that replacing the contractors will be gradual. That's not really true, because Duolingo has been firing its contractors for AI slop for a while now. They told shareholders in 2023 that generative AI let them create new content dramatically faster. The company laid off 10% of its contractors around the end of that year. A few days ago, we said how replacing employees with chatbots doesn't really work. You don't see greater productivity, and you don't see a lower wage bill. But business owners hate employees more than you can imagine, and they will continue to trash their own companies if they can just fire the people that do the work and use a slop machine instead. Around the 2023 contractor firings, Duolingo users noticed quality going down badly, and they're not happy this time either. LinkedIn comments, "The quality has lowered considerably compared to before, with more bad translations and awkward grammar." Or, "I learn languages to connect with people, not employ AI." Or, "AI first means customers last." Just after the AI announcement, the company bragged about how AI had let it create twice the course content. AI slop. Eat your swill. This may or may not bring back the users who cancelled this week. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please, if you can, tell one other person about this episode. Like and subscribe on YouTube. Put a nice review on the podcast apps. I have a Patreon where you can fund work like this, my daily video and blog post every single day, and the podcast as well. We've got t-shirts too. So I'll see you all tomorrow, and bye for now.